Hi, this is Tony from A&R Boilers, members of the Engineer Team Network. And this particular boiler today is the Ravenheat. It's the Ravenheat 84ET. And this particular boiler is electronic ignition. Now there's two types of electronic ignition boilers on this range. Now this one, if you look on the front, you can see two LEDs. That means this particular boiler has one main PCB. The other type, again looking at the LEDs, has three LEDs. That means it will have two separate PCBs. One will be in this region here, and the second one will be on the gas valve, but it's because it's not the other type, there's no ignition board there, but you'll see it on the side of the gas valve here. So they're the two types of PCBs and ignition systems. Now we're going to look at this boiler in more detail. We've got a fault on it, and what's happening is the red light is coming on, so we're going to just turn it on now, and you're going to see it appear. So we're going to turn it on for heating. Now the boiler is starting, or trying to start, to ignite, and in a few minutes or less we're going to see that red light come on, which will be giving an ignition lockout. So the red light's come on, which is here, you can see there. So we're going to just do a quick test to see if there's any power at the fan, because this is the next place we need to look. I'm now looking at the fan and I'm just checking with my volt stick to see if there's any power, and there's no power there. So that suggests there's no power coming from the PCB up to the fan. By sucking on the air pressure switch, when I do this, I can tell by sucking on it that there's power going down to the PCB by listening to a click every time I suck on the air pressure switch. I've just sucked on it. If you listen very carefully, when I let go of this tube, you'll hear a distinct click, and you'll hear a click in the PCB as well. It was quite quick, that. So, but anyway, by doing that, proves that there is power at the air pressure switch, and the signal's gone back down to the PCB, which is in this region here, and the fan should now be running, but it's not. So this looks clearly like the main PCB is the problem. So that's going to be the end of the diagnostic on this particular boiler for today. So if you've got any comments, any ideas, you can comment on the comment bar below, and you can also subscribe to our channel. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned.